Welcome to Learn English Smoothly. Today, we will learn 100 easy English questions and answers. Practice with me and speak English with confidence. Let's begin. What's your name?
My name is Alex.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from the United States.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
What do you do?
I'm an engineer.
Are you a teacher?
No, I'm not.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little.
Are you hungry?
No, I just ate.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny today.
What do you like to do?
I like reading.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you drive?
No, I can't.
What's your favorite sport?
I like soccer.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you play an instrument?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Avengers.
Do you like watching TV?
Sometimes.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I do.
What are you doing?
I'm watching a video.
Are you busy?
Not really.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What language do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
What's your favorite animal?
I love cats.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast.
Do you like school?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite subject?
I like English.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Are you happy?
Yes, very happy.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite drink?
I like orange juice.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, chocolate flavor.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love mangoes.
Are you cold?
Yes, it's freezing.
What do you wear today?
I'm wearing a red shirt.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, I do.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the store.
What do you want to eat?
I want a burger.
What do you want to drink?
I want some water.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
How are you?
I'm great, thanks.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy painting.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, very much.
Have you been to another country?
Yes, I went to Canada.
Do you like rain?
Yes, it's relaxing.
Do you work?
Yes, I do.
What's your job?
I'm a designer.
Where do you work?
I work at an office.
Do you work from home?
Yes, sometimes.
What time do you start work?
At 9 a.m.
What time do you finish work?
At 5 p.m.
Do you have lunch at work?
Yes, I do.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love it.
Do you get tired at work?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I have a laptop.
Do you have a car?
No, I use the bus.
Do you have a bike?
Yes, I ride it daily.
Where do you go on weekends?
I visit my friends.
What do you do on Sunday?
I relax at home.
Do you go to church?
Sometimes.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, twice a week.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I am.
Why are you learning English?
I want to travel.
How long have you studied English?
For 1 year.
Is English hard?
A little, but fun.
What app do you use most?
I use Instagram.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes, a lot.
What's your favorite YouTube channel?
English learning channels.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite game?
Free Fire.
What's your dream?
To be a doctor.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV.
What do you do at night?
I sleep.
Do you take the bus?
Yes, every day.
What time is dinner?
Around 7 p.m.
Do you eat out?
Sometimes on weekends.
What do you do in your free time?
I listen to music.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
Great job! You've learned 100 simple questions and answers. Watch again and practice every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English. See you in the next video.